Well, hello there. Tom Green coming back at you with some experience design goodness. And today's goodness explores what I call the power of none. And by that I mean we can actually have motion inside of XD, which XD doesn't have, by using a none transition. Let me explain what I'm talking about here. So what I've got is a floating action button with a plus sign, and I'm going to come over to this artboard here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to rotate it. So I'll just select the icon, change its rotation to 45 degrees, and then come over to prototype view and just drag a wire from this artboard to this artboard, and you can see there's the transition. Now, all the transitions are right here. So we've got a transition of none, and by that I mean there is no transition. There's no sliding, there's no pushing, there's no dissolving, nothing. It just pops. But the really cool thing about this is it's an optical illusion. Your eye will actually do the rotation of the floating action button from a plus sign to an X. And I'll show you what I'm talking about. So if I just click that and I click here, notice? Now, the cool thing about working with motion is if y'all take someone somewhere, y'all take them back. So I'm just going to go back here. I'll click OK. And we'll try it again. And we just click that. And you click the button and it rotates, click it, and it rotates back. And all that is your eyeball filling in, or your brain filling in, the change in state. Now this is a pretty cool technique because it works with quite a few things. So what I've got here is a switch. Okay, so there's the on state or the off state of the switch. And then I'm just going to pull up the opacity of the on state. And watch what happens when I move from here to here. Not only will this rotate, but this switch will move from here, change color, and it will move over to this point. So if I click the plus sign, ready? Here we go. Click, click. So there you go. There's the power of none. And by that, I mean real simple. Just in prototype mode, just choose the transition of none if you want to fake it or fool the eye into seeing motion when motion doesn't exist.